Welcome! I'm Hannah, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly add a border to a cell in Excel using a simple keyboard shortcut. This is a great way to highlight important data and make your spreadsheets look more organized. Let's jump right in. First, select the cell or range of cells where you want to apply the border. This is the area where the border will appear. Now to add a border, simply press Ctrl plus Shift plus 7 on your keyboard. Once you do that, a default border will be applied around the selected cell or range. The border will appear around the outside of the cells, making your data stand out. If you want to remove the border, just press Ctrl plus Shift plus 7 again, and it will be removed from the selected cells. Here is a quick tip. You can also use this shortcut to add borders to multiple cells at once. Just select a range of cells and then press Ctrl plus Shift plus 7 to apply the border around all the cells. For more advanced border options, such as changing the border style or color, you can open the Format Cells dialog by right-clicking on the selected cells and choosing Format Cells, then navigating to the Border tab. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to quickly add a border to a cell with just a simple shortcut. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to Sheet Leveler for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.